says 35 minutes standby. Not too bad. All these incredible quotes, movie posters. Walt Disney's the Scroogiest millionaire. There's a photo op, but it's not open, so that's the closest I can get. We got Toonsies and we got Mickey. What is it? What does that one say? Mickey. I Shrunk the Nieces. We got the Mouseketeer blasting off soon. And Chipmunk Trap. Toontown's Hysterical Society proudly presents Mickey Through the Ears. The history of Toontown's hometown theater. Look at that. Mickey Mouse and Fiddling Around, Mickey Mouse the Expressman, Mickey Mouse the Musical Farmer, Walt Disney Society Dog Show. I'm not going to get everything because we're going through the line too fast.
The ceiling's cracking.
Yes. Yes. Mickey and the Seal.
Sometimes when the line is shorter than we don't need to go in here.
Mickey Mouse Disco Mouser sign. Mickey used this as Bob Cratchit in Mickey's Christmas Carol.
Was when they still had the original cue.
Mickey and the King, the Prince, I guess. Their costumes from The Prince and the Pauper. Mickey Mouse Clubhouse. Hand helper.
Our grandson's one of his favorite shows.
Yep, he loves the clubhouse. Mouseketeer, Mickey Mouse Roadster Racer. Props. Ensemble Triumph. More props. So did I hear that some of these snacks are now actually available?
Yes.
They're not
The
just
power line.
because that popcorn smells so good. Free candy on the 6th Tuesday of every month. Awesome. If there ever was such a thing, that would be awesome. Did you just spill ketchup all over the place? And cheese and mustard?
Your cheese, nacho cheese. Oh, yeah.
Barbecue sauce, secret sauce mayonnaise, relish, haggis, and extra hot sauce.
People mess it up and grab it and yank on it.
Mickey Mouse and Tokyo Gold. Mumbai Madness. One-man band. Wish upon a coin. Wonders of the deep. Split decision.